Why are you still broke? Even though you work hard every single day. It's not bad luck. It's not your job. And it's definitely not because you're not trying. The truth is much harder to accept. You're broke because of how you think. And until you change that, nothing else will change. Most people believe one dangerous lie, that if they just work harder, they'll eventually get rich. So they wake up early, they grind all day, they come home exhausted, and repeat the same cycle again. But here's the truth. No one tells you. Working more hours doesn't make you rich. It just makes you tired. Because poor people sell time, but rich people build systems. Let me ask you something. How much is 1 hour of your life worth? Now think about this. Every time you waste time scrolling, watching, distracting yourself, you're not just wasting time. You're spending your future. Because money can come back, but time never does. People don't become broke overnight. They become broke through small daily decisions. Another coffee, another impulse purchase, another, I'll start tomorrow. And those small decisions quietly build a life you never wanted. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You're not broke because you don't have money. You're broke because you don't have control. Control over your habits. Control over your focus. Control over your thinking. And until you fix that, no amount of money will ever be enough. Rich people don't ask, how can I make money today? They ask, how can I create something that makes money without me? They invest in skills. They invest in knowledge. They invest in systems. And most importantly, they invest in themselves. There comes a moment in life when you realize that nobody is coming to save you. No perfect opportunity, no lucky break, no miracle, only you and your decisions. If you want to stop being broke, start here. Control your time. Control your habits. Control your mind. Because the moment you control your thinking, you start controlling your life. So the real question is not why you're still broke. The real question is, what are you going to change starting today? Because your future doesn't depend on luck. It depends on your next decision. Follow Winning Mindset for more